Alright, 6 o'clock. I didn't time that very well. Abby was at work at 5:45. I didn't leave right when she left, which I should have. Because the bus line to get here took a while. So I think it was like 4 buses before I finally got on. And my Tiana reservation ends in 20 minutes. So I'm rushing to get through security, get in the park, and get to Tiana's. And of course, we literally got dropped off at the very last spot. Rushing to get to Tiana's, and then I have a Haunted Mansion one, and then I will go bug Abby her job. I don't think it's supposed to rain tonight. I mean, there's like only like a 35% chance. There is a couple of dark clouds still left, but hopefully it doesn't mean anything. Alright, so let's see how long, 6 o'clock now. Let's see how long it takes me to get to Tiana's. Alright, I made it in time to Splash Mountain. I just bought 2, I just went to see if they had a 4th of July pin. They're already sold out of that. So now I'm heading over to Haunted Mansion for my next Fast Pass. Then I'm gonna go see Abby, and it's definitely gonna storm. Which, you know, when we looked at this, I knew it was gonna rain potentially every day. That's what happens. You can see the dark clouds over there. Okay, and now I'm going to Haunted Mansion, and unfortunately, I guess they're doing construction, so there's a big scrim in front of the Haunted Mansion, so that's a little disappointing, but it's not like I don't already have a billion pictures of the Haunted Mansion. So, no biggie. I did get a little bit wet in Splash Mountain, nothing major, mainly my butt. So I was in the 3rd row, the first one in the front row. Definitely got the 2 people in the front row, definitely got the front of it. There's Bird, funny too. Oh, there's Bird just sitting on the table.
I'll sit beside you.
What is it?
So there is short. And so that's the stream line. I'm here like. You can hear it in the distance. So, alright, there's the scrum. You can see it. Alright, I'm gonna let you go. I'll see you later. Okay, there she is.
What are you doing here? I can just pop out of nowhere. Dude, it's hype out here.
What is this pen?
Oh, I already have that. It's fake. I have good pins.
Oh my god, I need that pen.
I have this. Trade for this.
I need this. Okay, I'll trade for those 2.
But you have to answer my.
So, what have you been doing all day?
Well, this isn't even my job. I'm supposed to be in there, but I took his job.
So when are you gonna go back in there?
So we're supposed to be in there because it's been thundering.
Well then go in there.
No, I'm feeling it. It's hype out here.
So, hey, So where are we doing this?
It's hype out here, guys. How are you so lucky? I might be moved because we're not 101.
You what?
I might get moved because we're not 101 anymore.
To where?
I don't know.
So, but it can only be one of these three, right? Can it only be one of these three?
We're not 101 anymore.
Alright, I'm seeing you later. Alright, so because of 4th of July, they're having a special dance party. Alright, I'm getting the main street. So it's got this very popular